Guys, this is Onida Google TV. Now I am showing to how to reset factory. Right. Just go to setting. Right. Then press picture. Okay. Just enter picture mode. Then select normal. Okay. See the bottom side normal dynamic. Just go to custom. Right. Then come down. Okay. Contrast. Right. Just press remote key. Right. 9 7 3 5. Okay. Just select contrast. Okay. Then press 9 7 3 5. Then come down, press 4 number shop, right? Shopping mode for on finished. Okay. After finished, just remove the plug. Okay. And just reconnect. And switch on the TV. Right. The problem will solve that.